Thank you for watching the episode of Stone's Review. So our mission is to help you decide what to love making next. This is a kit I got from Temu. Makes what looks like a pretty sleek little car there. Looks like it's going to be pretty challenging. I'm pretty excited about it. Looking at the entire box here, you can see on the back side there, nothing too interesting on the bottom. And yeah, so let's get it opened up and see what's in this kit here. Let's see, how do we open you up here? Oh, let's see. There we go. Alright. So we got a very nice book here. It is pretty thick, pretty shiny. Oh, looks like there's a little bit of stickers to add to this. Nothing too crazy though. It's good because I'm not a big fan of decal application. I think everything looks pretty straightforward. Looks like there's 3 sets of bags, so it does appear to have numbered bags. And all the colorations and everything look, pretty acceptable in this bag, or this kit. Alright, let's just take a quick look at the bricks themselves. This is not a Lego brick kit, but it is a Lego style kit. They are Lego sized from what I can tell. And looks like it's definitely going to be a bit of a Technic build with the type of bricks they've installed here, or given us here. And alright, we'll get this put together on camera, and I'll give it a good review after we're finished. Okay, getting started here. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 number 1 bags, and a bag that doesn't necessarily have any number on it at all. So, okay. That's a lot of number 1 bags. Feels like maybe we could divide some steps up, but who knows? We'll see. Of interest here, as I was pulling through the instructions, it actually also has instructions on how to install a motor in the back set of the instructions here. It's in green, and they just walk you through all the things you got to take apart and remove, and then where to install and how to install the motor if you're interested in making motorized. I'm not sure I'll bother, but I do have the stuff around. I could do it if I wanted to, but we'll see when we get there. Well, unfortunately, I'm as far as I can go on this kit. This 1 page alone, I am missing 3 pieces to get for going further, so I can't go any further. They're definitely not cosmetic pieces. They are structural pieces, so it's done. I guess I have a lot of extra fLego bricks that I can use for another project another day. Well, I don't recommend this kit, I can tell you that much. There's a WeChat link here. Maybe that's to try to order parts, but that's a hell of a lot of parts to order just to start out with. So I'm just calling it a bad kit, and I don't recommend it. I give it 0 stars. I give it an F. I give it a double F, which is too bad. I was having a lot of fun. It's a very technical build. It looked kind of fun. I mean, it had this nice little thing where it could... Oh, no, it's not working so good anymore because I take it apart. But oh well. Thanks for watching Stone's Reviews. Please hit that like button. I hope this helped decide whether you want to build this little super fast racing car or not. The kit that I bought from Temu. I'm trusting you probably won't, and I wouldn't blame you. Alright, please hit that like button, subscribe. As you can tell from my channel, I'm a straight shooter. I don't try to polish a turd. A turd is a turd. Please consider supporting us on Patreon for $3 a month. You add free access to our videos. That $3 could help you decide what to love making next. Thank you.